Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one is running late today, but I'm sorry, it's okay. Today's gonna be pretty short. I'm just gonna show you some things that I got done around the place. I built a floating island and a few other things that you guys will get to see in today's video. I also got pranked. Can you believe it? Someone pranked me, but it's a really beneficial prank. Because, well, let me just show it to you. Here, let's go. Just come over here real quick with me. Here, it's pretty great. I wish I was recording when I first saw it so you guys could see my initial reaction, but I laughed for like 2 minutes straight. It was great. Yeah. I've been mossed. What's the capital of Russia? Oh wait, hang on, I gotta change this. Moscow. It's pretty great. But look at all the moss. Look at it. And some flowering azaleas. I don't know if this is really considerable as a prank. I'm leaving it this way. I like it a lot. So, thanks. I really like it. That's really all I got for now. So you guys, we're gonna just hop into the, I can't parkour. We're gonna hop into the time lapse and you guys get to see what I've been doing, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so I actually had more than one of this kind of clip. I had a huge tower of ore, but the video was corrupted and I couldn't play it, so that's really sad. It was really satisfying to watch, but you guys get to see me create this really pretty field. I plan to start adding more fields around. I might even add some floating fields above the current ones. We'll have to see what if that'll work, because I'm not sure if the shadow would make it impossible for the other crops to grow or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it was really short, but sometimes short and sweet is the way to go. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your week, and I'll see you this weekend on Sunday. Have a good day. Bye.